How to log into Facebook using Instagram. In this video, I will show you how to log into Facebook using Instagram. The first step is to open or launch the Instagram mobile application. You will land on the homepage of the app just like you can see here. After that, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This is the menu page of the app as you can see here. On this page, there are options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the menu icon. It is this icon here with the hamburger symbol. This is the settings and activity page of the app. On this page, there are options that you can use to manage and make changes to the settings of the account. From the options, tap this one named Account Center. This is the Account Center. On this page, you can control all your accounts in one area. Next, tap this option named Profile. You will land on this page where you will see all the profiles that are connected to your Account Center. From there, make sure you add the account you want to log in with by tapping here, Add Accounts. You can then add the account easily. After adding the account, come back to the Account Center again. Next, come to this section named Connected Experiences. Under the section, there are two options. From those options, tap this one here named Login with Accounts. You will land on this page where you will see all the accounts that have been added to your Instagram account. There are two important options here. Allow all accounts to log into each other. The other option is choose which accounts can log into other accounts. If you choose the first option, all your accounts will be able to log into each other. You can also choose the second option so that you can log in using specific accounts. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks! That is how to log into Facebook using Instagram.